So what are our next orders?
Huh? Didn't you get the phone call from headquarters 10 minutes ago?
What phone call? Oh crap. The volume buttons on my Android phone must have accidentally silenced it in the last firefight. Happens all the time when I wear tight pants.
Trust me, my pants are even tighter. What I do is to use SoundBarrier to set the lowest possible ringer volume, so the volume buttons can't accidentally silence my phone.
Even in the heat of the action with tight clothing. Wow. Thanks for the tip. SoundBarrier can be a lifesaver out here.